What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, sitting out front of Goodwill. Gonna go inside. It is 8:29. That clock is an hour off, so they close in about a half hour. We're gonna run in there, see if we can find anything this late at night. I don't know. There's actually a lot of people here. I see cars all over the place, so very odd that there's this many people here. Let's go inside. Let's make some money. All right, we're at the glass case here. There's a Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu with the Pokeball for 45. I think I'm gonna be grabbing that. I actually wanted this game. Also a Super Mario for 10. We got a few random games there. And a few newer games. Assassin's Creed Odyssey, 45. That's a heck of a lot. Digimon for 10. Naruto for 15. Not bad. Some Genesis games. They look like all sports. Color's half off, yellow's half off, so pretty interesting. All right, still looking around. I'm definitely picking up the Pokemon game. The box is damaged, but the game is brand new, sealed, and so is the Pokeball, so that's pretty cool. We have here $3 for SpongeBob. SpongeBob on the Game Boy. Don't think it's worth much, but we'll throw it in the cart. What else do we got here? Excuse me. Thank you. All right. I got a lot of stuff here today. A lot of stuff. Monopoly. Cheaters Edition. Not bad. $10. That's actually pretty cool. I know somebody that wants this for Christmas. I might have to grab it for 10 bucks. It's brand new. That's pretty sweet. That's a good gift. We have a interesting game right here in German. A German game, Die Dre. Never heard of that. It's brand new. That's probably not on Amazon, I would imagine. So I'm gonna have to check eBay on that. Anything else brand new, sealed? What is this? No, that's not new. I'm always just trying to look around for brand new sealed things first before I take my final lap. And like I said, I only have about 30 minutes in here, so somebody actually wrote their name on there. Derek. It's a Woody doll, missing his hat. It's kind of cool. All right. Well, yeah, I'm gonna look this up. I'm gonna look that up and see, make sure it's not like super cheap on Amazon, because then I would just buy one that has an actual seal on it. But still, 10 bucks. Gonna look that up, gonna look this up. Yeah, on Amazon right now, you can get it brand new for $12.79 with the seal on it. So that's probably where I'll end up buying it. This one is pretty much new, but you can see there's no seal on it. The box has a little bit of damage, some sticker mark and Sharpie mark. So if I do end up getting the gift, I'll just buy it that way. Is this? I think it, no, I thought that was one of those Real Monsters. Do you remember? Do you guys remember Real Monsters? Put a picture of who I thought it was right there, but he looks kind of like him a little bit. But I think the other guy held his eyes. Still pretty cool. Oh, here's a, I've sold a few of these in the past, but they always have to be in the box. Wow, $2. Oh, $1, $2 for a TMX. He's in kind of rough shape. Gonna leave him. And this, of course, wasn't on Amazon, so I have to check eBay. Here we go. We have a legit Nintendo 64 controller for $6. Awesome condition with the joystick. Looks good, looks clean. Definitely grabbing that. Got lots of yarn. I always see yarn, $2. It's not bad if you want it for yourself. That only costs like $4 or $5 in the store, maybe even $3. Still interesting. Lots of good stuff here if you're shopping for yourself. I'm shopping for Amazon besides that game, and if I end up not liking that game, I could just sell it and make all my money back and some. So pretty awesome. That game came out like a week ago, I think, maybe even less. That's pretty insane that it's here. All right, seeing if there's any other video games. ESPN NFL Primetime 2002. Never even heard of this game. That's interesting. So we got another Madden. What else? Not looking like many other video games. The Incredibles. There's a lot of stuff here. CDs are looking pretty dead for some reason. I don't know why nobody donating CDs anymore. Alright, we have an interesting predicament here. Super Mario 3D World for $8. and Wii Sports for $6. You can see right here on the Wii Sports, I'll make $9.28, so I'll make just over $3, so make about 50% profit. And on this $8 game, I'll make about $4, so about 50% profit on each. So I have to spend $14 to make $7. Is that worth it? I think so. They're really fast sellers, so easy to include into a shipment. I think I'm gonna grab them both. Not a horrible price, not a great price though. Kind of upset about the prices on that. There we go. I'm a Dolphins fan. I think that's Sue. It is Sue. It's pretty awesome. For $4, it's a large. He doesn't play for the Dolphins anymore, but for $4, being a Dolphins fan in Connecticut's tough. You never find good deals on Dolphins wear. That would be comfortable. It is a little big. I think I'm gonna leave it just because I'm stingy. I did get a few, this game's actually not worth it, this SpongeBob game, but I did get a few DVD box sets for eBay. They want $2 for one of them and then $4 for the others for some reason. Or I think $5 for the others. There's the price, yeah, $5. Not sure why the price is different, but they go for about $18 each, so I'm gonna grab them. And I kind of want this shirt. I don't know though. Still looking around. Just looking at some clothing right now. I think that's LL Bean. Prices aren't too bad. If they have a little thing like this that sticks out, it means they're $5 for long sleeve, $4 for short sleeve. And some of the higher end brands have actual prices. Like this LL Bean right here for $10, which is kind of crazy. I definitely wouldn't pay $10 for an LL Bean. But it is what it is. There we go. Little Richard's coming out party. What is that? Top 10 ways babies are like beer. What is this? This is the weirdest shirt I've ever seen. Oh, look at that. Mickey's Cycle Works. Quality parts. Oh, it's actually brand new. $50 tag on it. Brand new. Disney Parks. $10 though. I'm gonna leave it. It might be here when it's 50% off. $10 is way too much. I'd probably be able to sell it for 20-ish. Maybe 25 if I'm lucky, but I'm not gonna drop 10 on it because that's just having money tied up. Got a whole bunch of Star Wars and Star Trek figures. A lot of these figures are never really worth anything, and boxes are always messed up, sadly, whenever I see them. But I've looked these things up a lot of times in the past, and they're never worth any money, or they hardly ever sell. This stuff just isn't super collectible. You guys gotta have to find like the really rare things. And I mean, these boxes are messed up. But that is Captain Jean-Luc Picard. It's kind of cool. There's a Connect back there. I don't think 360 Connect sell for what they used to. They want $35, which is definitely too much. But those things used to be great money makers. Maybe around Christmas time prices jump, but I'm gonna pass on it. Oh, we also have a Roku. How much is that? $40 for a Roku? 40's crazy. That's insane. We're not gonna get that. Alright, we just left the Goodwill. Man, the people in there are so nice. The workers that work up front. There's a guy and a girl that work there, and they are just probably the best workers and the best employees and just really nice people. I don't know. They're just very nice. I'll show you guys everything we ended up getting. We got a couple of these, well, we got 3 of these ER movies. Now, I pick up DVDs to sell on eBay because I can't sell them on Amazon. I'm restricted, just like most of you will be watching this video. You can't sell DVDs on Amazon. They will not allow it. Even if they're new or used, doesn't matter. So, whenever I find new box sets like this, I scan them on my phone on Amazon, see if they're worth anything in the first place. If they come up at, you know, $20 to $30 over on Amazon, odds are they're going to be much cheaper over on eBay. Now, these were all going for about 20 something on Amazon, but they were going for 18 on eBay. Very rare to see that, so I'm happy for that. I spent 2 on this, 5 on each of those, so not too bad. They look like they'll sell pretty fast also, so I am happy about that. I ended up picking up this game right here, Naruto Shinobi Stryker. 15 bucks, not bad. It was originally 30 in there. They dropped it to 15. I'm gonna sell this on Amazon. I think it's selling for like 28 right now, something like that. I'm gonna make about 10 bucks, I think it was. So that's still pretty sweet. I'm happy about that. We got the Wii Sports and we got the Super Mario 3D World. And then, to my surprise, the biggest surprise of the day is this thing right here. Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu with the Pokeball Plus. Now, the box is destroyed, obviously. You could see the box is all taped together, but let's take a look inside of this box. It's hard to do this with one hand, but you can see right here, here's Pikachu, brand new sealed, pretty awesome. And then down in the box, we have the Pokeball, which is brand new sealed as well. Let's see if we can pop this sucker out. There we go. There's the Pokeball Plus. Still has its little seal on it right there and right there on that side. Really cool. I believe this is going for $100 right now on Amazon. If I wanted to sell it, I probably could for close to $100. But I'm gonna open it up and play it. I'm gonna see if I like it. If I like it, I'm gonna keep it. And maybe if I beat it, or if I don't really like it that much, I could still sell it used because it just came out a week or two ago. And I'll be able to get still close to $100 for this thing, which is pretty cool. Now, you don't even need the Pokeball to play the game. It's optional. So if I really like the game, I could keep the game, sell this little Pokeball thing here, and almost get the game for free, I'd imagine. So that's pretty cool too. So definitely a good day inside of that Goodwill. Found some good stuff, lots of video games in there. You guys saw the controller. I did leave the Nintendo 64 controller. $6 was a bit steep. I would have made about $4 on Amazon, and I just wasn't looking forward to that. So we got Pikachu, we got Mario, we got Wii Sports. I mean, that's a solid trip. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys stick around for the next time we are thrifting. I got another video coming very soon inside of a red, white, and blue thrift store. Found some great stuff there. I actually filled the whole back seat with giant bags all the way up to the top with these bags. So you guys will see a great video coming out soon. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.